Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Sajid, and I'm going to teach you science. Lesson number 6 is going on. We are going to solve exercise of page number 50. So, are you ready? I hope you will ready. So, students, in this video, we will learn about this activity given on page number 50. Higher order thinking skills. Arrange the given parts in order 1, 2, 3, 4 to show how the food moves inside the body. So we have to arrange the numbers step by step for these pictures. So first there are the pictures: mouth, intestine, stomach and food pipe. So how the food moves step by step. So first we eat food by our mouth, so it goes into our mouth. So number 1 we will give to our mouth, it's number 1, and then after mouth it goes into food pipe, number 2, it is number 2, and after food pipe where does it go? It goes into intestine, so number 3, intestine, and after intestine it goes into stomach. Here you have to give number 4, mouth number 1, food pipe number 2, intestine number 3, and stomach number 4. So next question is, why does the chest expand when you breathe? When you breathe. So why does chest expand? So answer is, when we breathe in, air fills the lungs and hence the chest expands. So what's the reason? When we breathe in, air fills the lungs, hence the chest expands. So it is the reason of expanding our chest. What's the next question? Number 3. This question: what will you not be able to do if you break the bone of your right arm? So answer is, we cannot write or hold things with our right hand if we break the bone of our right arm. So students, we came to know the reason why we do not able to use our hand if break the bones of our right arm. So these two answers you have to copy into your notebook, number 2 and number 3. So copy it. You can take a screenshot and then you can copy it. So next question is, how does air reach the lungs? Study the pictures and complete the passage. How does air reach the lungs? So there are number 3 blank places have been given, so we have to fill it. Number 1 is, when I breathe, dash enters my nose. What enters? So we know that air enters my nose. Number 2, from the nose the air goes into the dash pipe. So what goes into the so answer is wind. What you have to write? Wind, W-I-N-D, wind. In number 1, air, A-I-R, air. And number to wind. W-I-N-D, wind you have to write. Number 3, the windpipe takes the air to my dash. So where? To my lungs. In third place, blank place, you have to write lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Okay. So I hope you have written all things and understood. Next, value based question. It's your personal response question. You have to answer it your own. So I'm reading question. Do you keep your back straight while sitting? If you do so, you have to tick yes. If you don't do so, you have to tick no. Do you walk straight and not slouch? So if you do so, you have to tick yes. If you don't so you have to tick no. And what's the information for you? If your answer is yes for both the questions, then you are taking care of your body. If you are answering yes, so you are taking care of your body. If you don't answer, if you are answering no, so you are not taking care of your body, means. So I hope you have understood all things. Next, we have to learn about the project. What's the project? This is an activity. You have to do this. Find out how the heart works. What you have to do? The heart works like a pump and sends blood to the whole body. Every time your heart pushes blood to the body, it produces a pulse. The pulse can be felt at a certain spot on the wrist. The pulse rate or the numbers of times the heart pumps in a given time is definite. Count the pulse felt in 15 seconds. Ask your parents to help you do the pulse count. Do the count at least 3 times and note your pulse count in the table. So you have to write your pulse that you count in the 15 second. You have to write it in these tables. Okay. So you have to do this activity your own by the help of your parents. You ask your parents to help you to count the pulse rate of your heartbeats by using your hands. Okay, so I hope you have understood all things and you will do so. So inshallah, in next video we will start new lesson. So thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi